Today, I'm going to show you my new custom-built standing studio desk. Let's get into it. A few years ago, I realized I needed a standing desk. Years of hunching over, editing for 12 hours a day had gotten my body feeling old. So I built a custom standing desk, and I even made a video about it, which you can find right here. But there were some problems. First, I didn't quite build it to the right height. Second, I wanted a little bit more space on my desk, plus a few other really important things. So last year, I decided to redesign and upgrade my desk, and today I want to show you some of the main features. First, the desk is composed of three main sections: the base, the desk, and the monitor cubes. This allows me to disassemble and reassemble the desk easily in case I need to move my studio in the future. Let's take a look at the base. It's pretty simple, just a frame with legs that I custom measured to make sure the desk was the perfect height for me. There's some additional braces for stability on the side, as well as casters for increased mobility. So the actual desk section is where I made the most important improvements. The last few years, I've transitioned from primarily doing music into podcast production, YouTube videos, and other content creation, so I wanted a desk that could serve all of those functions. The desk surface is 6 feet wide and 21 inches deep. This leaves plenty of room for my boom stand, interface, mixing surface, keyboard and mouse, plus a fader port or tripod for filming videos. The attached angled racks can hold up to 4 units each, plus I can build out another 4 units here in the future if needed. Finally, I tried to be conscious of cable management because I like a clean workspace, and I have some additional storage here for my camera, hard drives, or other odds and ends. Finally, my second monitor sits here with a USB hub, which is super handy. Also, I have 2 more USB hubs on the back of my desk. The area between my monitor cubes is perfectly set up for my computer screen, as well as ample room for multiple hard drives. But that's not all. One of the biggest things I was missing from my last desk was having quick access to my MIDI keyboard. So one of the most important additions to the new desk was this adjustable keyboard tray. I do a lot of music compositions and writing for the podcast work I do. Having the keyboard right there has been such a game changer for my efficiency and workflow. Plus, it's just great to have for fleshing out my own musical ideas when I'm feeling inspired. So last, let's take a look at the monitor cubes. These are built so that my monitors are at the perfect sweet spot for my ears. Each cube has 2 units of rack space, and both currently hold a power conditioner. So you're probably wondering about cost. Well, this desk probably cost somewhere between $400 and $500 between the lumber, tools, and accessories. The initial desk took me a few days to build, and the revisions probably took another few days. So yes, it's a time and money investment, but the reality is that any desk that gives you these kinds of features and customization would cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000. Plus, I really enjoy the problem solving of building things and kind of doing DIY stuff in the future. So for me, it's a win-win. Building a custom desk and tweaking it as my needs have adapted and changed is one of the best investments I've ever made in my studio. My desk is amazing because everything I need is right at my fingertips. No bending over, no having to plug things in and out. It's all set up and ready to go, which increases my creativity and efficiency. So that's my custom standing studio desk. It's the center and brain of my small but highly creative studio, and I encourage any of you who are thinking about building a desk, do it. Sit down with a piece of paper. Flesh out your ideas, look at other people's studio desks, and get inspired. All right, well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the videos I put out. All right, well, take care of yourselves. Peace out. Get inspired. We'll catch you on the next video.